3 months of intense training, 3 months of daily repetition and practice of their trade skills of choice or specialization. In the end, such preparations paid off with 12 gold medals, 7 silvers, 8 bronzes, and 5 more medallions in the just concluded TESDA WorldSkill 2025 competition, which our Isaiah Mirafuentes sums up in this report.
TESDA scholar Gian, who hails from Cavite, values education greatly. His wish is that after finishing his studies, he can immediately help his parents. Apart from his dedication to succeed in life, his knowledge on computers is one of his skills, and he wants to use it to achieve success.
Bakit ba tayo nag-aaral? Kasi gusto natin may magawa tayo in this life. Gusto natin may maging purpose tayo sa ating buhay. So paano ba natin ma-apply yung pinag-aaralan natin? And sa panahon po kasi ngayon, hindi lang enough yung diploma eh.
Gian is one of the gold medalists in the WorldSkills Asian 2025, which was participated in by teams from Southeast Asia and was held here in the Philippines last August 26 to 28 in Pasay City. 12 of them won gold medals, 7 silver, 8 bronze, and 5 medallions for excellence. The participants underwent 3 months of lock-in training. They studied their skills seriously for the competition. That's why they were overjoyed to see that the Philippines can now prove itself against other countries.
Sobrang handa po natin, ang kaso po nun, kulang po tayo sa equipment. Pero yung makikita po natin sa mga competitors natin na sobrang gutom po talaga silang makipaglaban. Gutom po silang ipatunayan kung ano po yung kaya ng mamamayang Pilipino.
It cannot be denied that many Filipinos still look down on the technical and vocational education or TechVoc. Some think that if you belong here, society looks down on you. But the Filipino participants in this competition prove that they are not to be underestimated. They can actually make a big contribution to society.
Skills are the currency of today. Yun na po ang kailangan natin ngayon. Pero siyempre hindi naman po mawawala na dapat may alam pa rin po tayo sa academics. So I think dapat po meron pong collaboration.
Marami sa kabataan natin gusto talagang makapagtrabaho. Naririnig natin palagi yan. Gusto makapagtrabaho agad because they wanted to help the family. Okay, and the fastest way of doing that is taking technical and vocational course.
The gold medalists will receive 100,000 pesos from TESDA. Silver medalists will get 80,000 pesos. Bronze medalists 60,000 pesos. And those with a medallion for excellence will get 50,000 pesos. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.